Go Manchester United! This is gonna be a win!
These toys are everywhere!
Something caught my foot!
This bush is very prickly. My eyes are full of flour.
The zoo opens very soon. We need to hurry, everyone.
Lily, please make sure you have your small sun hat.
Okay, Mommy.
I cannot leave. This is the most important match today.
Come on, Ryan. The whole family is going together now.
My team is playing. I must watch them win today.
The zoo is fun, Ryan. You can watch the match later.
Please come with us, Ryan. I want to play together.
I am sorry, Lily. I really need to stay here.
He is 16 now. Maybe he can stay home alone.
Okay, but you must keep the doors locked at all times.
I will bring you a toy lion from the zoo.
Have a great time. I will see you this evening.
Call us if you need anything at all, Ryan.
Be safe and do not open the door for anyone.
Finally, I am alone. Now the real fun begins.
Where is the remote? The match is starting right now.
Go Manchester United! This is gonna be a win!
The house is empty. We can go inside now, Slim.
Oh! Are you sure it's empty? I see the car is gone.
Wait. I hear a very loud television inside there.
I need some chips and a cold soda now.
This is the best football day of my life.
It is probably just a timer. Let us go check.
Nothing can stop me from enjoying this match today.
Go to the back door. It is always open.
What was that noise? It sounded like a footstep. I am sure it is just the wind blowing.
I see a shadow moving near the bushes outside.
The backyard is clear. Whoa. Let us move to the door.
I still hear the television.
I see the living room light. It is bright.
What was that? Is someone in the backyard now?
The door is locked tight. We need a window.
I need to be quiet and listen very carefully.
Look over there. That small window is our way.
Hold the crate, John. I do not want to fall.
Oh no. There is someone outside my kitchen window.
Oh, that was very loud. Did anyone hear that?
I am not alone. 2 men are trying to enter. My battery is at 1%. This is bad. The phone is dead. I cannot call my mom.
It is opening. We will be inside soon.
I must defend my home. I am the only one. I will protect this house from my family today.
Hey!
I am inside.
He is inside. Oh, I can hear his small footsteps.
I am afraid, but I will not let them win.
This house is very dark. I cannot see anything.
The TV is on. Someone is definitely in this house.
Come out! Come out! Come out! We know you are here.
I must get to the top of the stairs. I'm almost there. Just a little further.
The chips are still fresh. He is very close.
I am coming up. You cannot hide forever, kid.
I found them. These toy cars are gonna be my first trap. Welcome to my home. Get ready for a big surprise.
I will find you, boy. Just wait and see.
Let us see how fast you can run now.
Whoa. Oh, yeah! These toys are everywhere!
My knees really hurt now.
That little kid is gonna pay for this.
I need to make the floor even more slippery. It's like a very cold ice rink.
Let us use the old ladder in the garage.
The garage is cold. My back is very stiff.
They are in the garage now. I must move.
Oh, this ladder is perfect. We can reach the balcony.
I hate climbing. This house is far too big.
They are climbing. It is time for another trap.
This is very hard to see in the dark. There, got it. It's invisible.
I see the door. The kid is not here.
Just one more step and you will see.
Hey! Ah! Something caught my foot! I am falling! Ah!
Oh, what happened? Are you okay up there? Ah! This bush is very prickly. I am angry.
You are a very clever kid.
I need more traps. The match is getting harder.
This flower will make everything very messy and white.
I'm gonna catch that boy right now.
The second half is starting. I must be ready.
I am back inside. You cannot stop me, Ryan.
He is coming. The trap is ready for him.
The floor is like ice. I cannot stop. I cannot stand up. This floor is too slippery. Ow!
Get up, Slim. Why are you playing on the floor?
You should not come into my house today, John. It is snowing in the house today.
I cannot see. My eyes are full of flour.
Everything is white. Ah, I look like a giant ghost.
That is enough. Oh. I am coming up right now.
I want to go home. This kid is dangerous.
Do not be a baby, Slim. We are almost there.
It is time to use my big drone now. Fly high and find those thieves in the hallway. Say hello to my little flying friend. You too.
What is that thing? Oh, is it a giant bug?
The lights are too bright. I cannot see anything.
You look very funny when you are scared. Thieves?
Stop moving! I will break this metal bug.
Where is my family? I hope they are coming.
I have a very bad feeling about Ryan today, Ethan.
Do not worry, Clara. We are almost home right now.
I hope Ryan is okay. He is all alone.
I am here now. You have no more toys.
They are home. My family is finally back here.
The family is back. We need to run, Slim.
Where do we go? We are trapped in here.
Oh my goodness.
Why is there white flour everywhere?
What happened here?
Forget the money, Slim. Let's get out!
Ryan, are you okay?
I used the traps to stop them on the stairs.
You were very smart and brave today, Ryan.
Let us all watch the final minutes together.
I missed you guys. Being alone is not fun.
We will always stay together as a team now.
Family is truly the most important team we have.